everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is our fifth and final episode of our Fold of the Week Holiday Spectacular. Regular Fold of the Week programming will resume next week. And this week I wanted to focus on a trend of what I call the holiday activity card. And so it's a card that's more than a card. It actually gives you something fun to do or a little gimmick. And so I have 4 ideas for you that I think you're really going to like. This first one is from Montage Marketing in Bethesda, Maryland. This is a corner folder open gate. We actually have this die line at Foldfactory if you're interested. I really like the design on this and the colors, and it's a creative idea. It says comfort and joy on the outside. You open it up like this. And then it says creativity and community, and you open it up one more time. And inside is a coloring activity, kind of following that trend of the adult coloring book and, the coloring activities. I love this. It's got a holiday theme, and like a lot of activity cards, there's a social media element inviting you to do the activity and maybe take a photo of it and share it. What I also really like about this particular idea is that a lot of times an activity card, if you don't do the activity, it's just a pile of stuff. I love that this is still a lovely card regardless of whether you do the activity or not. So I think that's super clever. Just a great idea, great format, love it. Okay, this next one is from my friends at Integ in Waco, Texas. This is actually an event invitation for a holiday party, but several things that I really like about this. They wrap it up like a gift. It's got a tag to personalize with the person's name. You open it up. It opens like a gift. It's also an iron cross fold, which is really nice in general. This is on a pearlized sheet with some varnish effects, so it's got a lot of shimmer, which is fun. This also has the social media element. But this one, they give you a Santa beard and invite you to wear it. It's got a little elastic band, and you can wear it. I love this. So just a fun, I'll call this more of like a holiday gimmick activity, but really cute and clever. Love the format, love the idea, and the interactive element in that. So that's a great one. This is an oldie but goodie from my friends at GLS in Minnesota. This is just a cute idea. This is a shaped accordion. It's a 3-panel accordion, little gingerbread men. Or little gingerbread ladies or men, actually. And what they did is they gave you little stickers to go with it, and you can decorate them. It's little candies and candy canes and little clothes and stuff. So I love that you can dress your little cookies and do what you want with them. And it's just simple and cute and quick. Some activity cards have an awful lot to do. I love the simplicity of this. So just a cute way to use a little shaped accordion and send that as a fun idea. And kind of along those lines, this is from West America Communications in California. And this is a fun one that offers a little selfie elf, a little trifold with a custom die cut here. And he's the little selfie elf. And he's kind of like a little paper doll, but he's got little sticker clothes and all sorts of fun themes. And they invite you, there's a whole little story, and they invite you to take the pictures with the selfie elf and to post. So it's just got a fun element, very creative, love the stickers and kind of the paper doll format. So again, just a fun activity. So very cool. I hope you like it. Our 5th episode here of our holiday series, and I hope that we've inspired you to wow them at the holidays. So that's your holiday edition of Fold of the Week, holiday activity card. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.